Hi, I'd like to show you my rig I just completed for my H-16EL Bolex about early 1970s, probably 73 or 74 Bolex EL. I have the crystal sync controller, and it's from Signals Technology Lab, and it's the STL-24. So if you Google Signal Technology Labs and STL-24, you'll be able to find them and buy one for your own. They're a lot cheaper than the ones that are coming up on eBay these days from Tobin and Bolex. Those are going for like $800 and insane pricing these days, along with everything else. So here's my homemade video assist. I made this coupler and 3D printed it. And then I have it going into a lens, and the lens is going into an HDMI 1080p monitor that has HDMI output. I have that going into this coiled cable, HDMI cable, going into the ICANN, and it's got its own battery. And so I can use this over the shoulder to get my focus and frame my shot. The lens, I have several lenses for this. The lens that I have in it now, is, it's only giving me a small image in the middle. And when I flip this down, you can see that the image is big enough to use for focus and, finding composing the shot and all that. Anyway, let's move along. So I have it on the shoulder pad. I have the two Tilta focus controller and the zoom controller handles on here. They're digital, and each one is set. This one's set to control focus with this little dial here, and there's a little thumb joystick knob right here, and that controls the zoom. So let me demo that for you. There's the lens, and there's the servo, focus servo. And so when I move this little knob on the handle, I get to focus with, after it's calibrated, I get to focus the SIRUI lens. So in order to get the zoom to work, I move the little joystick up and down, and it moves my zoom control all right from the same handle. It also will start and stop my camera. I have it configured. I made a special cable. I added this little relay to it, a little surface solid state relay module I purchased off of Amazon, and I made a special cable, and that'll start and stop my Bolex. Here's the record switch right there, and watch the camera. Okay, now it's running, and now it's stopped. So you can see I have full control over focus, start, stop, and zoom from this handle. And then from this handle, I have it configured to move the aperture. So when I roll this little knob right here, it moves my aperture ring remotely. I don't have to put the camera down and look at it. I can move the aperture ring manually with the focus assist motors. I have them all configured, for each of these tasks. And anyway, this is a Vario-Switar Bolex bayonet mount Vario-Switar 12-100 zoom lens. And then we have an Anamorphic 1.25 SIRUI adapter on the front of it. So I get, from the normal Bolex, unmodified Bolex, you get a 1.33 aspect ratio. When you put this anamorphic lens on it, it squeezes it by 1.25, so you get 1.66, which is the aspect ratio of your normal HD TV signal going into your TV set. So I can shoot widescreen with any of my cameras now just by moving this adapter to the lens that's taking the shot, and then setting it up with the proper adapters. I had to piece this. This has a very odd sized thread on the lens, so I had to stack several different adapters together and screw them together to make it work with this lens. Normally there's not a adapter available that I could find that would go from this lens to this lens, so I had to stack up one of the adapters that I own for this lens along with 3 other adapters and screwed them all together and tightened it up, and it's working. So we have a swing out, tilt to swing out mat box with the eyebrow, and so I think this is going to be a pretty good setup for me. I have several other Bolex cameras, as you can see. I have H8s and a Rex 5 and Rex 3 and this is a Rex 4 Bolex double Super 8 camera that was converted years ago, and I have the ESM motor and the EBM grip, so it's battery power from the grip, and then I can have crystal sync in double Super 8. How cool is that? And then on the bottom here, just some other Bolex cameras that I've collected. Now that SIRUI lens should also work on this zoom lens if I wanted to do that, and I've already tested it out on my ARRI 16S and it works, and I've also tested it out on my Canon Scoop Pick, and it works on all those cameras. So I don't see any. It's made for a Super 35 sensor, and on a 16 millimeter standard 16 millimeter sensor, it covers everything I've thrown at it so far. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to try and shoot some film with this and some 50D Kodak, and then hopefully get that posted up. But that's my setup, and I think it's unique. I'm the only person that I know of that has a electronic viewfinder going to a homemade optical coupler that goes to the eyepiece, and everything works together, and you can pull focus with it and everything. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll give it a nice side shot before I sign off, and thanks for watching.